Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tarun again, back with another fitness video. So this is day 14 I guess, or 13. I have to double check that. तो मज़ा आ रहा है अब. I can see some changes in my body. Probably tomorrow or day after I will show you my body shots, how am I looking. But आज मैंने I got many questions today. Questions ये थे कि some of us while we are on this transformation हमारी कोई ऐसे circumstances हो जाते हैं कि हमें travel करना पड़ जाता है या हमारे college exams आ जाते हैं या फिर something or the other comes up wherein we can't eat what we're supposed to eat. हमारी एक तो routine बिगड़ जाती है, routine के बिगड़ने से हमारी diet हिल जाती है. So what do we do in situations like that? So I'll tell you what I do in such situations. Basis that you can take a call कि आप पे वो काम करता है नहीं करता. तो पहली बात तो ये है कि अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि आपने ट्रैवल करना है तो ट्रैवल बैग won't be enough. Let me introduce to your best friend called 6-pack nutrition bag. It's not just whey protein. ये 6-pack nutrition वालों का नहीं है. ये 6-pack दूसरा है. It's an international brand. Now see this bag? So now what I do is, if you open up the compartment here, see, it has almost 5 space for 5 meals. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can prepare all your 5 meals and इसमें डालो. और ये meals मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है इस meal में क्या क्या हो सकता है. And not just that, ये तो है ही है, इसके ऊपर भी बहुत एक interesting सी space है. See this? There is a compartment where you can keep all your tabs. ये मेरे multivitamins वगैरह ये सब, your daily hygiene needs here. Plus, you also have side pockets where you can keep your goodies. For example, here I can keep my, shaker bottle. Or on this way I can also keep my supplements. Similarly यहाँ मैं अपना shaker एक डाल सकता हूँ. Same spice on my left and right also. So ये एक बहुत अच्छी utility है to kind of help you pack on food. So coming back to our topic, आप जो भी लेंगे and this is available anywhere, probably you can just order it online. ये आपको पड़ेगा करीब 4 से 6 हज़ार के बीच में. But I think it's a great utility. You must have it, especially if you really want to kind of be fit for the rest of your life. This bag is going to be coming very very handy to you. और दूसरी बात, people have been asking me कि यार तरुण, how to prepare our meals. यार देखो, अगर आपको कहीं जाना है, how hard is it to actually prepare your dal or prepare your chicken or prepare your fish, whatever, and get a Tupperware and take it and go, right? It's as simple as that. But नहीं, हमें तो वहाँ जाके when we get confused and then wonder कि अब क्या करें, फिर खाया जाएगा, फिर उल्टा खाने के बाद it will put us like 6-7 days back and we start all over again and this whole transformation dream ends. ये आपके साथ नहीं, मेरे साथ सबके साथ हुआ है. इसीलिए I have always felt कि it's always good to carry your own bag and in that bag have your own kind of food. और हमारा खाना भी तो ऐसा होता है ना कि हम दूसरों का खाना नहीं खा सकते, जिस पे मैंने घर का अभी वीडियो करा है कि आप घर का खाना नहीं खा सकते इस पर. तो ये चीज़ें बहुत हेल्प करती हैं for people who are into fitness and who want to stay fit. और नॉट जस्ट दैट, आप इसमें सब कुछ कैरी कर सकते हैं, अपना प्रोटीन शेक, अपना शेक अप बॉटल, अपनी बॉटल ऑफ वाटर, स्पेशली वो कॉलेज किड्स। आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त चीज़ रहेगी इफ़ यू आर अ कॉलेज किड। हाँ, थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा कि जब तुम लाइक मैं बताता हूँ, जब व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल आई यूज्ड टू टेक दिस बैग अलोंग विद मी। तो लोग मुझसे अक्सर पूछा करते थे, यार आप क्या ट्रैवल कर रहे हो क्या, आप कहीं जा रहे हो क्या, यू नो। सो आई गॉट सो यूज्ड टू इट, आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग देम, हाँ यू नो I have travel plans, but that's okay, who cares, who gives a damn any which way, it's about our own fucking health. So my suggestion is, go invest in this bag. I'm going to put a link and I'm going to look up on the internet that if I can find links where you can buy this bag from. 2-3 ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट ज़रूर होंगी, बिकॉज आई ऑर्डर्ड इट फ्रॉम आई थिंक Amazon way back, so I think उसमें होगा, ज़रूर होगा. I'll put up some links in my description box for you to kind of look up and order it. So a great utility which I thought I should share it with you. So कल या परसों में get ready to see my body shot. Not too much of an improvement, but हाँ, I do see some tightness, I do see something going on. So I'm sure, you know, in weeks to come there will definitely be some more improvement. So any one of you have any questions, feel free to write to me either on my YouTube, Facebook, or on my WhatsApp group. On my WhatsApp group, there are times when I'm not too active because, you know, I get a lot of queries from people. I'm busy answering those. I have this some videos to make. So मैं ज़्यादातर active कभी नहीं होता. But that doesn't mean I don't see your comments. I read each and every comment and I do try to reply to every comment that I see. So just because I'm late in replying doesn't mean that I didn't read it. So apologies for that. So bear with me. For people who want to be part of this WhatsApp group, I'm going to create another group to accommodate all of you folks. Just be a little patient and we shall get there too. So until we meet again, see you.